Strong hands and wrists will help you perform activities of daily living, such as turning doorknobs, gardening, or using tools in the kitchen. Have you subscribed to our channel? If you haven't, be sure to do so you don't miss out on other great videos just like this one. You'll need a dumbbell today and a rubber band. So grab your equipment and meet me back here and we'll get started. Let's warm up those hands and wrists. Extend the arms straight out in front, making nice, easy fists. We're simply going to do flexion and extension. Wrist down and up. Just a continuous motion. We'll do each exercise today for 20 seconds and take 10 seconds to rest in between our movements. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Our next exercise is simply opening and closing the hands, just like that. Let's do it. Open as wide as you can and close. Nice and easy. Remember, if any of these exercises causes you pain, just don't do them. Or do them to the best of your ability. 3, 2, 1. Wrist circles are next. We're simply just going to circle the wrists around each direction. Let's do it. Ensure that you're breathing throughout all of our movements today. 3, 2, 1, rest. Finger taps. So you're gonna spread those fingers nice and wide and we're simply gonna tap each finger to our thumb. Let's do it. First we'll start with our pointer to thumb and so on. And then back, pinky to thumb. And rest. Okay, we've got a thumb stretch next. We're simply gonna tuck the thumb inside just like that and go ahead and cover it with those hands if you can. And a continuous motion, stretching the thumb side here, down and up. Side view, down and up. If that's too much, leave that thumb on top. And rest. Now we're gonna go ahead and use our dumbbell. We'll start with the right side first. We're gonna do wrist flexion, so palm facing up towards the ceiling. I'm gonna take advantage of my bench here and rest my forearm here. Simply grasping that weight, lower the weight down, and then up, roll it up towards the ceiling. Down and up, nice and easy. And rest. Now, wrist extension. So rotate, the palm faces down, and pretty much the same movement. So we're coming up towards the ceiling and down. You can also rest your forearm on your thigh or on a table. It works really well on a table too. 3, 2, 1. And rest. Okay, using that rubber band here. Go ahead and stick that rubber band around your fingertips, and we're simply gonna open and close. Open and close. This can be a little challenging, so do what you can. And rest. Go ahead, switch it to the opposite fingers. We'll do those same exercises on the other side here. Let's do it. Open and close. We're strengthening those fingers. These type of exercises are gonna help us open doorknobs, use those kitchen tools. And rest. Go ahead and take the rubber band off. Dumbbell in the left hand. We're gonna start with wrist flexion. So this time I'm gonna rest my forearm on my thigh, simply rotating that weight up towards the ceiling and down. Just a continuous motion, nice, soft, easy grip. One more, and rest. Now, wrist extension. You're rotating that palm down towards the ceiling. Let's do it. Lift up and down. One more. And go ahead and put that weight down. We'll end with the same exercises we started with. First, wrists, go ahead and make some fists, and we're gonna rotate palms down towards the ceiling and up. Flexion and extension. And rest, opening and closing the hands. Take some deep breaths. Don't forget to breathe throughout these exercises. Let's do it. Open and close. One more. Rest those hands and wrists. Wrist circles. Extend the arms. Here we go. Small little rotation. And rest, finger taps. Spread those fingers wide and let's go ahead and tap them. This one takes a little bit of brain power too and coordination. Tapping those fingers. And rest. We'll end with that thumb stretch. Do you remember? Okay, go ahead and tuck the thumb, and if you can, wrap those fingers around the thumb, extend down towards the floor and up towards the ceiling. Continuous motion. You should feel that stretch right there and up, down and up. One more repetition. The hand and wrist exercises we did today were simple, but can be an effective way to help build strength in the hands and wrists over time if done regularly. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to our channel and check out our live class schedule at SilverSneakers.com. Thanks for watching today and make it a great day.